Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Camtasia video editing software. And in this video, I will show you on how to make your color video to black and white in Camtasia video editing software. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do, like for instance, this particular video here is a color video. I want to convert it into drastical black and white. So how do you do that? First thing first, come to the canvas right here, right click on your canvas. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you navigate to add filters. So you have so many preset filters right here that you can easily add. Go ahead and select basic black and white right here. So click on that. Once you select basic black and white, everything will turn to black and white right here. Then you can come to the black and white property right here and adjust the property. Like for instance, if you want to turn down from 100%, everything, the more you reduce the size of the black and white, the more you see the reflection on your video. If you are not satisfied with that, continue to adjust until you are satisfied. So I'm cool with this particular 95% black and white. So the whole scene in the video will be fully turned to black and white, just like what you see right here. Then you can also apply range. Come to all gray right here. You can use different effects to comprehend your black and white. The more you over your mouse, the more you're going to see anyone that is going to be useful for your effect. So if you cannot find anyone right here, just leave it out and then you are done. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use Camtasia video editing software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video.